Good day to you all, my dear kids. Today we are going to discuss the lesson Holiday Destination, that is belong to second midterm content. Objectives of the presentation: improve the ability of reading, enhance the creativity and thinking ability, enhance the vocabulary. Children learn what is a travel brochure. We are going to learn about the title of the presentation. Why the title of the presentation is important? What is the significance of the title? Yes, title is very important when we are learning about a passage, when we are learning about a novel or a composition, because it foreshadows what is going to happen, and also we can get clues about the passage what is going to happen. The title of this passage is Holiday Destination. Let's see what is the meaning of the word holiday. Holiday means leisure time away from work, devoted to rest or pleasure. Then let's see what is the meaning of the word destination. The place designated as the end is the meaning of the word destination. Holiday destination is the unit 5 and it's belong to the second midterm content, and this is a travel brochure. Have you heard the word travel brochure before? Are you familiar with this word? Let's see what is a travel brochure. Travel brochures are promotional documents that advertise specific destinations, hotels, tours, vacation packages, or exotic locales. Now, I'm going to explain the lesson to you. Actually, this is a travel brochure. The language is different. The format is different. Let's see how travel brochure is different from normal passage. Okay. Now I'm going to explain you the lesson. You also should have the textbook and turn to the page number 62 and 63 because we are going to discuss the 2 pages. Visit Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is a beautiful island in the Indian Ocean. It has rainforest and plains, highlands, sandy beaches, rivers, and waterfalls. Its wildlife is spectacular. The first paragraph of this passage is about the situation of the Sri Lanka on the world map and geographical features of it. Sri Lanka is located in Indian Ocean and it is known as the Pearl of Indian Ocean as well. And also, this is a beautiful country rich with geographical location. What are the geographical location mentioned in the passage? Yes, plains, highlands, sandy beaches, rivers, waterfalls, and wildlife, waterfalls. Okay, and also it is rich with wildlife. After that, you can see there are 2 pictures. One is about our Sri Lankan map and the places mentioned are some places which are related to tourist destinations, And also one picture is a picture of a beach. And also they are mentioned about a capital, population, size and currency. Why do we need these things? Normally I said this is a travel brochure. So they are for tourists. They should have an idea regarding the country. So in order to attract to the country and to give an idea regarding the country, normally the travel brochures contain maps, uh, pictures of the beautiful places. So I'm moving to the next paragraph. A holiday on the beautiful island of Sri Lanka, offering something for everyone. If you enjoy an active holiday, then this destination has plenty to offer, from treks in the forest and highlands to sailings out to the sea to watch blue whales. If that's too energetic for you, then just relax in the warmth of the Sri Lankan sun and enjoy the beautiful surroundings. Some visitors to the island say it is one of the most beautiful places on earth. Okay, now we are in second paragraph. Okay, when considering about the second paragraph, you can see the language. The language is very exaggerative. Can you find it? The language is rich of exaggeration about the beauty of the country, as well as the commentators' different tourist attitudes about this country is mentioned in the second paragraph. Uh, how is it? How this second paragraph can attract tourists? Normally, the second paragraph in the mention about two types of holidays. If you want to have an active holiday, there are separate activities, as well as if you want to have a relax, there are separate activities. To have an active holiday, you can have uh, sailing out to the sea, blue and to watch blue whales, then trips in the forests and highlands. Those are some activities which we can do to enjoy an active holiday. And also, if you want to have a relaxed holiday, then you can do is go to a sea beach and enjoy the warmth of Sri Lankan sun. Now I am in page number 63. This page is about what to see, what to do and where to relax. First, we are going to focus our attention regarding what to see. Okay. There are some pictures as well. There's a picture of a sea grave rock. Then you can see there are two mountain elephants, and also you can see a seaplane, and also you can see whales. Why these are there? These are the things which we can see. Let's see what to see in Sri Lanka. Sigiriya or Lion's Rock is must see. The ruins of the city built by King Kashyapa 477 and 495 stand on the summit of a granite rock 200 meters high. The ancient city of Radhapura was Sri Lankan's capital for 1,300 years. It is thought to have been attacked and abandoned in 1993. Its places shrouded by dense jungles for so many years are now accessible. The Bambarakanda Falls is the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka with 263 meters drop. Okay, children, in this passage, how many places addressed by the writer? There are three places which are, what are they? Sigiriya, Anuradhapura city and Bambarakanda Fall. Sigiriya. If we consider about the Sigiriya, another name for Sigiriya is Lion's Rock. Okay, why the writer is mentioned as a must to see? Because Sigiriya is considered as one of the World Heritage and it is in the list of 7 wonders. Due to the water technology used by our ancestors as well as due to the beauty of the creation. It is considered as one of the 7 world wonders. And also it is a portrait of King Kashyapa. Then next one, the ancient city Anuradhapura. It also a very important place because it's a ancient capital of Sri Lanka. But as the time passes, it is abandoned. Now it is accessible. Why is it considered as important tourist destination? Because there are so many ruins and we can proudly shows the history of Sri Lanka from Anuradhapura city. And also the Bambarakanda Fall, also very important place and also a beautiful place because it is the highest waterfall in Sri Lanka. The height of the waterfall is 263 meters. Then we are moving to the next one. What to do? Take a safari in Yala National Park. The park covers 1,260 square kilometers and it's place to see big four of Sri Lankan wildlife: elephants, sloth bears, leopards, wild buffaloes. Travel by train through Sri Lankan's heart from Colombo to Jaffna. Take a seaplane from Lake Koggala near Galle up to the tea plantation. Visit Kalpitiya Peninsula on northwest of the island to see dolphins and blue whales. In here, the writer mentions what we can do. How we go to those places are mentioned in this passage. How many places he refer here? He referred to Yala National Park and it's have a huge variety of animals and also he mentioned about train traveling and also he mentioned about seaplanes. Now it is a popular tourist mode of transport and also he mentioned about Kalpitiya Peninsula. It's very famous for whale watching and also there are dolphins also. So the writer mentioned some important places in Sri Lanka and how we can visit those places. Then where to relax? Next one, last passage. If you prefer to relax, then check out Sri Lankan's beautiful beaches. There are many kilometers of golden sands for people who want to lay back and enjoy the views. It means if you want to have a relax, the best place to select is sea beaches because you can see a beautiful see beautiful scenery there. There are many beaches which are with golden sands, so you can enjoy sunbaths and you can enjoy the beauty of those beaches. I think the lesson is clear for you. Next, I am moving for the comprehension part. Let's have an idea regarding difficult words also because it's important. Let's improve our knowledge of vocabulary. What is the meaning of a plain? Plain is a geographical feature. The meaning is extensive open land and is considered as a noun. Then destination. Destination means the place designated as the end. It also a noun. Trek. Any long and difficult trip. Next one, it's also a noun. And next one, energetic. Possessing, exerting or displaying energy. It is an adjective. Summit. The highest level or the degree attainable, the highest stage of development. It also a noun. Next one, granite. A type of very hard rock. It's a noun. Abandoned. Empty of people and unused, not maintained by the owner or inhabitants. It's an adjective. Accessible. Capable of being reached. It also an adjective. Shaded by. Covered by. It's a verb. Heartland. The central or important part of a country, area or field of activity. It's a noun. Next one, check out. A point at which goods are paid for in a supermarket or similar store. It's a noun. The comprehension part is consists of three sections A, B and C. First, we are going to focus our attention for the part A. Discuss the answers to these questions. What is a voucher? What is the voucher about? This travel brooch is about Sri Lanka. Give an example of the scenery you could see in Sri Lanka. There are many, among them the most significant one is sandy beaches with golden sands. Third one, what could you do if you wanted to relax and be energetic? To be energetic, sailing out to the sea, watch blue whales, trek in the forest and highlands. To be relaxed, enjoy the warmth of Sri Lankan sun and enjoy beautiful surroundings. What did King Kashyapa build? King Kashyapa built Sigiriya. Fifth one, how high are the Bambarakanda Fall? Height of the Bambarakanda Fall is 263 meters. Sixth one, what can you see in Yala National Park? Wild elephants, sloth bears, leopards, and wild buffaloes can be seen in Yala. Now I am in part B. It means I am in section B. Write sentences to answer each question. Why were places of Anuradhapura shrouded in jungle for many years? Because people forget about Anuradhapura kingdom until historians highlighted its values. Next one, why do you think Sigiriya is a must-see? Because it is considered as one of the seven wonders in the world. And also due to the world technology and due to the uh, beauty of the creation. Third one, how do you know that Sri Lanka grow tea? The travel brochure mentioned about tea plantation in the uh, what to do passage. Take a sleep plane from Kokkala Lake Kokkala near Galle up to the tea plantation. There it is mentioned about tea plantation in Sri Lanka. In what different ways is the information in the brochure present? Through maps, descriptions, and photographs. The section C, find example of brochure, a fact. Travel by train through Sri Lanka's heartland from Colombo to Jaffna. An opinion, Sigiri is must to see. Make a list of words and phrases. Write users to persuade the reader to visit Sri Lanka. Spectacular, summit, heartland, beautiful are some words which used to attract the tourist for Sri Lanka. Presentation. Thank you for listening.